Hello everyone and welcome to the daily analysis. It's the 5th of December. So touching on from today's market news, there was not really that much here at all really, but the only thing to note was the OPEC meetings, so had a little effect on US dollar. In terms of preparation for tomorrow, as you know, the first Friday of each month is the NFP. Basically this affects the US dollar predominantly, and it causes big, huge volatile swings to either side really. So most traders typically take the day off. It just depends upon your circumstances with your trading situations, etc. But in my opinion, the best solution is, if you currently have a trade, just keep it at break even. But if you're thinking about getting into a trade right now, is kind of no point, because you're going to have to suffer a bit more of a drawdown than usually on a typical Friday. So it's better to come with a fresh state of mind on the next week. But nonetheless, just keep aware of that news for tomorrow. So yeah, really that's all the news that we have to look at for tomorrow. But with the market that happened today, so following the pairs that we've got here, with GBP USD, we can see we've just been continuating from the upside really. So there was two chances to get in here. One was here, and the second one would have been there. So you know, collectively that would have been 200 pip move or potential 100 pip move. So either way, you would be looking at some potential profit here. With Euro USD, just slowly started to move and take its course to the upside, seeing how we've rejected this red reversal zone multiple times. As you can see, there's a lot of wick rejections in this area, especially this is what we look for and what I keep talking about, what I want to see. And then we've had that huge bullish sentiment. So it doesn't matter if you've taken yourself all the way to the top, because obviously that trade's going to have to continue it to the next week. But either way, if you did get in anywhere here, especially if you did get on the wick retest here, that's a good 30 pips move there. Moving on to USDJPY. As we spoke about yesterday, I wanted to see if this uptrend line could hold. And it's coming into that confluence of our daily level here at 108.899. And we've seen some rejections of this, as well as also the uptrend that we've got here is holding very nicely. So there is some bearish sentiment that we can see nice and clear here. So perhaps there is a change of shift, but the ultimate question is, will this continue it to the downside, or will it spring back up and continue it to the upside? That's obviously going to be confirmed after the NFP tomorrow. So yeah, so finally with gold, we can see that a couple of days ago, I think 2 days ago, that we came into this reversal area and not really come back up again to test it, apart from this second candle, but we count that as the push and rejection test. So just depends how you trade upon that, but you know, you could be looking at a good 80 pips there with that fluctuation. But it's a very choppy and ranging market right now, so there's not really too much momentum here, especially leading off to the end of the week. So what typically happens is, you know, sometimes pairs they start to go choppy and move sideways purely because they're waiting for the NFP effect to take its course. So then more people are likely to find a direction and continuate it in either direction really. So that's what I'm seeing here with gold. Sideways action, no clear direction apart from we are hitting a reversal zone. So it will make its decision if gold wants to continue it to the upside or to the downside really. So yeah, so that will be all from the daily analysis. If you do enjoy any of these videos, or they do help you prepare for your trading for the next day, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, and obviously for the future analysis as well. So that will be great. But nonetheless, thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.